Okay guys, let's have a look at this function then, the tan function. If we tap in tan of 0, we get 0 on our calculator. If we tap in tan 90, let's just do that just to illustrate it. We get an error. So it's not defined at 90, so that's why I've put an asymptote. Something must go wrong here. So what about tan 89? Should we put that in? 57. So, and if I put in a higher value, 89.5, just under 90, 114. So can you see what happens to this graph? Let's put 89.9, 572. So as it gets very, very close to 90, it shoots off to infinity. So we can sketch that now. Make a little sketch of it. So it's going to shoot from up here and come down to there. So let's just do that, draw that in. Now what about just above 90 then? Well, we know tan 80 is 0, that's easy to get. What happens at 91, say? Is it going to come down from here or something else? Let's just try tan 91, just to get our tan function. Minus 57. And what about 90.5? So if I delete that and put 0.5, it's even bigger negative. So the closer it is to 90 from this side, the bigger negative it is. So it's going to shoot down like that to infinity, isn't it? What about just under 270? Let's just confirm that. Say at 269, tan 269. That's 2.5. Again, it's hugely positive, just under 270. So it's going to come down from here, and you can try a few more values until you're comfortable. So can you see what happens? It comes down, and then it shoots down there on that asymptote. Okay. And then the only thing that remains is tan 360. That's 0. So we can mark off that. And what just above 270, you can probably infer what's going to happen. It's just going to be just shooting down here, isn't it? Should we just try a value? Tan 271 to confirm it. 271. Yeah, minus large values. Okay, so it's going to shoot off down here. And you could try some more values until you're comfortable. So that's what happens to the curve there. Okay then, guys. That's the plot of tan x then. Good. And now we'll do the plots just to confirm we've got everything fine. So put type tan x in here. Just generate the curve then and see if we're fine. There we go. Do you see what happens? It shoots down to infinity at 3 pi over 2. Just under that it shoots up to infinity. There's your 3 pi over 2 in degrees. At pi at 0. And then at pi over 2, which is 90 degrees, it shoots down there and shoots up there. So it's a fairly easy thing to draw. And when you're drawing tan function, you get used to it. Easy to make a sketch of that. Okay then, good. That's that one done. Took a bit longer, I know, but we got there in the end. Okay, good. Let's go on to the next question. Great.